video I'll be showing you how to install Phonepe for your mobile phone. Before going to the next step, please subscribe to our channel to get more updates on our new video. Now go to Play Store and type in search as Phonepe, that is Phonepe. Okay, this is the official Phonepe app. So you will get an pay symbol in Hindi. This you have to download. Click on install. So it is getting downloaded and installed. It will depend on your downloading speed, that is net also. Please wait, it is getting downloaded. Please subscribe to our channel guys, we will be getting more excited videos. Okay, as you can see, it is getting installed. Okay guys, so as you can see, you have installed Phonepe app to your mobile. This is how to install Phonepe for your mobile phone. Thank you.